Hello to my viewers. Today's topic is about addition of mixed numbers. This math is intended for grades 5 and 6. And to those who want to join with me, I will give you later for number 2. That will be your task. And the solution and answer should be placed in the comment. So to start with number 1, I have 8 1 over 8 plus 4 2 over 3. Since we cannot add this one because this is a similar fraction, so need to change this one or convert. So this will be 8. And then find the LCD between 8 and 3. So 8 and 3 will be 24. So 24 divided by 3 is 8. Times 2, 16. Then next is 24 divided by 8 is 3. Times 1, that will be 3. And then this will be sum up. 8 plus 4 is 12. And then this will be 24. That's the time we can add this one because our denominators are the same. So 3 plus 16 or 16 plus 3 is 19. So take note, 19 is an odd number while my denominator is 24 is an even number. So this is now the final answer for number 1. Okay, as what I said, I will give you a task to be solved. So this will be number 2. Take note, addition of mixed numbers. 8, 1 over 8 plus 3, 2 over 7. So, I will wait for you the answer in the comment.